how are we today? Welcome back into the greenhouse. If we haven't met already, I am Sam. I'm your plant collector in Melbourne. And today is a fun video for me. We have another plant unboxing. I've got two boxes, and these boxes are not necessarily for me and my private collection, but things that I plan to sell in the shop, and I had a pretty big order, so let me just get them. They're a little bit heavy. Ta-da! So I've got a cute small one. This is a medium Australia Post box. I also got this huge large one. So there's going to be a lot of plants in these. I think I want to start with the large one. So I'll put this one just down there. These ones actually came yesterday, so I've been dying to open them up. When you guys get your plant mail, do you guys like to use a knife, a knife, or are you more like a scissor fan? Because I know a lot of people that use scissors. I definitely like using me knife. Let me just open this one up. I reckon there's about 20 plants that I have. Actually more. It should be about like 30 plants. These were sent out on Monday. I received them yesterday on Thursday, and it is now Friday. So let's see how they held up. Ooh, very nice. There is some shredded paper in there, which, I mean, I don't mind, but I also don't know if it is necessary in my opinion. But these look like they traveled all really well, so I guess I'll just go one by one. There's a lot of plants in here. When it comes to opening like the actual package, I like to use scissors. I have to look it up, but I've completely forgotten. These are like silver amp something. I'm not 100% sure, but they're quite pretty. I don't have anything like this in my collection, but these are solely for selling on the shop. But I believe that these have like silvery stripes when they get big. So I feel like, I think I got a few of these. I honestly don't remember how many. These are Syngonium Batik, Batik, I think is how you pronounce it, but I'm not 100% sure. These ones are super beautiful. They're uncommon. I wouldn't say that they're necessarily rare, but they've got such beautiful patterns on them. So I think I purchased about 5 or 10 of these. So they're beautiful. They look really great. And there is another one of the silver amps. This one I'm really excited for. Yay! I've got a little round form Plowmaniae, very cute, very little. I already have like a mother plant that's quite big. I would say it's almost like 4 times the size of this leaf, but I wanted to get one for the shop again, and it's even got a new leaf coming out there. It's looking a little bit sad, but it's okay. I might actually show you guys my mother Plowmaniae because it is huge. So this is my mama Plowmaniae. She is so big, and I got this one from Fitzroy Nursery about 2-3 months ago. And let's just do a little bit of a comparison. Mama, little baby. I will probably end up chopping that one eventually, but anytime when it comes to my mother plants and I haven't chopped it yet, there's always hesitation. I bought another one. Hopefully I can get that one to grow quite big. Whether it'll be a mother plant or I'll just sell it off straight away once it's got a few more leaves, I'm not too sure. But regardless, we have a round Plowmaniae. Some more goniums. This one is, oh, it's a little bit damaged, but that's okay. This one, I don't even know the name of this, and I just saw it and I was like, oh, I don't have that. And that looks like it's really easy to propagate. This is a Philodendron Chinchamayense, I think, or I'm not 100% sure. I'll probably put it on below just so if you're wondering what it is. But this is a philodendron. How strange. And to me, it kind of looks more like a Philodendron or something else. But yeah, it's this is a philodendron. Got a little bit of damage happening, but these things happen, especially when it comes through plant mail, and as long as I have the full plant, I'm never too worried. So that one I'm probably going to keep for myself, and also, yeah, I might chop it up to try and propagate some more as well. How cool. Ooh. Sometimes I forget what I ordered. Do you guys do that? We have a Philodendron Verrucosum, and this one is looking really nicely established. Very happy with that. I've got my Veru just up. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. She is struggling just a wee bit. And I have a feeling it's because of the lack of humidity in the greenhouse. At the moment, it probably sits lower than 50%. But I also have this little one that I'm not really sure how I'll go about chopping Varicosum, just because when I first tried to purchase a Varicosum, I did a cutting and it was extremely difficult to root. So that ended up rotting, and ever since then I've been kind of scared to propagate Varicosum. But hopefully I'll let this one grow for a little bit more and then hopefully chop it down. But these ones are always really hard to propagate. This is gorgeous. So this one is a Philodendron Xtenum, and it is way bigger than I had anticipated, because I have Xtenum, but it's probably about like leaves of this size. These are huge. Amazing, amazing. The texture on these are so pillowy. It's kind of like a Plowmaniae, more like a heart-shaped though. And yeah, this is so pretty. I might keep this one for myself and actually start chopping up the smaller one, but wow, I love that. Okay, so we have two more in this one. Here is a Philodendron Plowmaniae Tenue. This one looks quite different to the one that I have. I feel like this one definitely looks more Tenue, whereas the one that I've got definitely looks more like a Plowmaniae. Very cute. Smaller than what I've got. And the last one for this box is such a cutie. This is a Philodendron Majestic, which is a hybridization of Philodendron Verrucosum and Philodendron Sodiroi. And so it's got the beautiful silvery patches, but very much the beautiful back of a Varicosum, which is one of my favorite plants. I've got a big mother plant that's kind of trailing up over there. It has been struggling, not struggling, but been a very slow grower after I had chopped it to propagate a few things. But hopefully it'll start to pick up. But now we have two. That is box number 1 done. We are going to keep this box because recycle, repurpose, reuse, and I've literally got newspaper all over me as well as all on the floor. I honestly don't remember what else I could possibly be putting or opening up for this one. Where did my Kinefe go? So this is a very much smaller box. We've got a few more in here. So this is a combination of some Batik and also some 3 King Syngoniums. Just that leaf there is probably a really good representation of what a 3 Kings looks like. I actually don't have one, so I think I'm probably going to keep one of them, and the rest that I'm going to grow, propagate, and sell. Oh, they did not come out. Okay. These guys are not looking so hot. These are, I think they're Piper, Cissus Discolor. Totally forgot what these are called. These are so freaking beautiful, but they look like they are not happy. They look very dehydrated. I don't know if I'd be able to save them. I think I might put them in some water and then probably either put some rootroids or CCS just to rehabilitate them, because they are looking pretty dead. And more Syngonium. I'm still in that learning curve, finding the groove of everything in terms of like stock, plants, and I would say that I'd probably do these unboxings for the shop maybe once a month, but hopefully I'll continue to keep doing these unboxings with you. I would have to say my favorites that I've got in this box is definitely the Majestic. This, I think it's called Chia Pens, but I'm not 100% sure. This is also one of a favorite. The Plowmaniae, and also the Varicosum. They're definitely my faves. I'd love to know which ones are your favorites from today, but thank you so much for hanging out in the greenhouse with me. I'll see you in the next video next week. Bye guys!